Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yep. Sorry. Movie starting. Mm, Oh, mm, mm, mm. Movie time. Okay. Gotta be quiet. Watch the movie. Shut up. Okay. Disaster movies. We're gonna watch a disaster movie. No, not really. But disaster movies. What kind of disaster movies do you know? Did Korea ever make a disaster movie? Hey, right here. Yun, I don't know what that says. Yungashi? Myungashi. I don't know. Do you know that movie? I guess it's the Korean. Let's see. 2012년 May 13 p.m. 5:30. 2012. Something happened then? I don't know. Actually, I have to. Yeah, 2012 summer. Ah, I don't know. Is that when the movie opened, or is that a true story? Nah, it looks like Han River or something. Seoul. Oh yeah, that's DLI 63. 63 building, isn't it? In the picture. Yeah. Oh, blah 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 blah. Flood disaster movie. I don't know. Avalanche, snow coming down. Airline disaster. That's not a natural event. Natural disaster, though. Huh? Is it? Well, okay. Disaster movies. Do you know any disaster movies? I don't know. Let's go find one. Aha! Do you know? Here, what? Do you know any of these popular movies? Atomic Twister. Atomic. Ah, 3 Mile Island. Do you know TMI? 3 Mile Island. What was it? January, February 1978. Less than 10 miles from my parents' house. 진짜. TMI. They tried to make a movie about it. Blah, blah, blah. 3 Mile Island. You see the atomic, the center, 가운데 movie. Atomic Twister. What's in the picture? Well, it's a nuclear power plant. TMI, 3 Mile Island, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. 미국에. Okay. They tried to make some stupid movie about it, but TMI, it's America's first real official nuclear accident. 10 miles from my home. Oh. Do you know any of these other movies? Tornado, Twister, Tornado. Tornado and Twister is the same thing. Okay. Yeah. Twister. Twister is more popular, I think. Tame. Da-da. Do you know any of these movies? Let's see. I don't know. Wizard of Oz. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Because. Yeah, it's not a children's movie. It's a classic nowadays. Yes, they made an updated, stupid version of it, but yeah. But the basic story starts with a tornado, and that's Judy Garland. What's her? At the end, I forget her name in the movie, but Wizard of Oz. It looks like a children's movie, but I don't know. It's But tornado warning. And of course, you can see the bottom picture there, the bottom photo. That's a real tornado. That's not a movie. Okay. Do you know these movies? Anything? Tame. Okay, this is the most popular tornado movie. Okay. Twister. Check it out. Try and find it. Try and watch it. Okay, it's based on a true story. Okay, Jinja. Okay, Twister. It was 10, 12, I don't know, 15 years ago. I'm not sure. Maybe not that long. I don't remember. But it's probably about the most popular tornado movie. Okay, but it is based on a true story. Okay, Twister. Have you ever seen it? This movie, Basayo, Twister. It's probably on YouTube. It's definitely on Netflix. Go watch it. I don't know. No, not now, not now, not now. Just okay. Tame. This movie. Ha 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 ha. This is a disaster movie. This is a true story again. Okay. You want to see you want to watch an excellent movie, true story. Okay. The Perfect Storm. The Perfect Storm. That's the name of the movie. Okay. It is a true story from USA, from America, from Migok. Okay, Andrea Gale. Look at the ship name, boat name. Okay, it's a fishing boat. Okay, huge fishing boat. Okay, but the name of the fishing boat was, not is, was Andrea Gale. Of course, it sank. Da 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 da. But it's a true story. Sad story, but this is a good movie. Ba da da da. Any other, I don't know, any other disaster movies, any other natural events movies, uh, Tomorrow, it's a science movie about the ice, the snow coming, but that's after, no, after tomorrow. I think, I forget the name, but I don't know. Tame, what's up? Okay, here. What is a tornado? Do you know what a tornado is? What causes? What causes a tornado? Any idea? Wind. Yeah, the basic thing. Yeah, wind causes. But actually, what makes a tornado? What causes? What makes a tornado? South Korea. Daehan Min-guk. Has South Korea ever had a tornado? Do you know? There is a website. Check it out. I don't know. Have you ever seen a tornado? Okay, in Korea, there's water spouts. Water spouts. It happens more over. No, water spouts happens over water. Of course, they don't really call it. They usually don't call it a tornado. It's usually called a water spout. It looks just like a tornado, kind of, but actually, it's just made up of all water instead of dirt and dust and da 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 da. Have you ever helped clean up after a tornado? Yes, I did. I don't know when it was. 25, maybe 30 years ago now. Oh man. You watch a tornado? Oh man, that scares you. It sounds like a freight train going right there in front of you. Oh, it's scary. Oh, no, I was not just standing right outside. No, just the sound of a tornado sounds like a big train just going right by you, right in front of you. Even the tornadoes a little da da da. What countries? What countries do tornadoes happen in more? Where do tornadoes happen? What countries? Korea? Well, not really. Because, next question, what kind of land? Mountains? Valleys? I don't know. What kind of land do tornadoes happen in more? Okay. Flatland, of course, yes. Not mountains. Because the mountains the mountains break up all the winds. Tornado can't really form. Okay, that's why tornadoes don't happen much in Korea. Okay, are tornado movies realistic? 진짜, 진실한, 진실한? I don't know. Realistic. Are tornado movies, the tornado movies, are they real? Do they look real? The movie Twister. That's a pretty good one. Okay, this looks not but. And the last question here. How about you doing a job as storm chasers? What is a storm chaser? They chase after storms. Well, here, storm chasers usually concentrate only on hurricanes or tornadoes. Okay, they have all the weather equipment. I mean the electronic equipment. They look at the radar. They look at the barometric, all that weather stuff, meteorologist stuff, and they chase after the storms. Okay, to hopefully find a tornado or possible. Okay, da da da. Tame. But Tashi, how about you doing a job as storm chaser? What are you doing vacation time? Hey, Tame. See, what is a tornado? This is a tornado. Oh, yeah, okay, the bottom left. Look at the bottom left photo. That's near. I don't think it's the same. I don't think it's the same photos. I don't think that's but Cheyenne, Wyoming. Where's my hand? I lived in Cheyenne, Wyoming, 1980, 1981, 19, I don't remember exactly. But Cheyenne, Wyoming, maybe 1979. Whatever. But they had terrible tornado went through. It's like, oh, that's just terrible. Bottom right photo, you can see the house all torn up, destroyed. That's exactly what it looks like. A tornado, after a tornado. Okay, but all these photos. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, that's a cool one. Yeah, and that's what they look like. Okay, imagine that over a water, over the ocean, over the sea. Let's say in the East Sea. The East Sea. That happens over the water, you get all that. It's just water. Okay, no dirt, of course. It's all blue, kind of, basically. That's a water spout. That would be a water spout. The bottom, are gaunde photo. That is a starting tornado. It's usually called a funnel cloud. I've seen hundreds of them. It's cool. Go to Wyoming, Nigoke. You see hundreds of them every year. 진짜. Well, one of them years and years ago landed. Blah blah blah. Okay, Tame. Yeah, don't make us too long, please. Thank you. Okay, Tashi. What causes a tornado? This is not science. Who cares? Well, I like science. Don't you like science? No. Well, basic. What causes a tornado? The air goes up, the wind goes up, cool air, warm air. Okay, goes up high. Look at the two photos. The warm air, the air goes up. It has to come somewhere. Okay, the air is pushing up, and then it forms like a circle, and it starts pushing down. Actually, okay, that's the center. The center of it pushes down. That's the tornado. Okay, Okay, and yeah. EF0, EF1, bottom are EF0, EF1, EF2. That's how bad, how high the winds are in a tornado, during a tornado. Okay, it gets crazy, really. Tame, Ba-da-ba. What kind of extreme vacation tour would you enjoy? Huh? Extreme vacation tour. Okay, summer vacation's coming up next month, kind of. Okay, you want to go to a iceberg under the glacier, or well, this is glacier, not iceberg. Sorry, glacier. Okay, yeah, you can do this nowadays. Uh, top center, yeah, of course, that's the tornado. And right under me, I don't know, glacier, basically. Or how about going rock climbing? Crazy. Or bungee jumping. Bungee jumping. Ever try it? Don't knock it till you try it. Okay. And Tame. Zip line. Zip line. Go down to near Osan. They have a zip line. Da da da. Okay. Well, during vacation, think of what kind of extreme vacation you'd like to do. Anything? Just don't just go to the Gangneung. Don't just go to Yangyangxi. Don't just go to East Sea. Do something crazy, extreme. Maybe, I don't know. Tame. See? How about a vacation like this? This would be cool, right? How about you doing a vacation job? You get paid, yes. A vacation job as storm chasers. Look at this vehicle. Can't say it's a car, can't say it's a truck. It's just filled with all kinds of meteorology, weather equipment, antennas, windmill, fan, wind measurement. Okay. The Kaunde photo, top Kaunde photo, the guy in the little blue car. That's what they used to do. Jinja. That's crazy. And nowadays, they got these crazy cars all built up, all protected. The car will actually sit down lower onto the ground. The whole car will, so as the wind cannot get under the car and pick it up. And they got all the radar. Okay, the truck with the radar looks like satellite dish, but it's that's radar. Okay, the radar dish, satellite dish, radar dish, sometimes looks the same. Okay. Tornado chasers, storm chasers. These guys are storm chasers. Basically, tornado chasers. They're chasing after storms. They're expecting a tornado to form. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Fun vacation job. Would you do it? You get paid? Tame. Okay. Looky here. Okay, we'll say right here. How about? Do you want to be a storm chaser? Do you want to experience the thrill, the excitement? The thrill, the excitement. Do you want to experience the thrill of chasing after a tornado? Do you want to feel the power of wind and the rain? Then going on an adventure with perfect storms could be just right for you. We operate tours in Tornado Alley, the area between Appalachian and Rocky Mountains, the Appalachian Mountains and the Rocky Mountains in the USA, where tornadoes are most common, very common, every year. Literally, many, every year. Why do you need to go storm chasing with us? Why not just go with some friends? Well, here's why. Storm chasing can be extremely dangerous. Yeah, of course. When you don't do it right, you could get seriously hurt. Many beginner storm chasers are injured every year because they don't take precautions. Caution. Joshime! Precaution. Okay. Beginner storm chasers are injured every year because they don't take precautions and they don't know and they don't know enough about tornadoes. That's why it makes sense to go with the professionals. And the professionals who work with at perfect storms are the best in the business. Business? This is a business going on as a storm chaser? Okay, yes, you can. Our team, you have to be a little bit qualified though, yes, of course. Our team is experienced and knowledgeable. And our NR? No, it's supposed to be and, A-N-D. And our drivers keep their eyes on the road. Yeah, watching the storm, you driving. Oh man, look at that thing. Oh my, you hit something. Well, our drivers keep their eyes on the road. Okay, keep your eyes on the road. 수고입니다. Well, yes, no. 마지막 paragraph. We plan our tours in the spring and summer during we plan our tours in the spring and summer during tornado season. However, it's impossible to guarantee a tornado sighting. See. It's impossible to guarantee a tornado sighting because weather conditions will change. We're very good, but we can't predict the weather. So you might not see one at all, or you could be lucky and see quite a few. You could see very many. 다시, you could be lucky and see quite a few. Quite a few, 무슨 말? 많이. Quite a few. A few means three, usually, always. But here, quite a few. It's a little expression. Quite a few means many. But either way, we guarantee the experience is electric. Electrifying. Okay, blah, blah, blah. 다음에. Okay, here's a couple questions. Okay, I know you had this practice before, didn't you? Yes. Do you want to be a storm chaser? Do you want to experience the thrill of I did that. Read the questions. Where is Tornado Alley? Find the word Tornado Alley. Where is the word Tornado Alley? What words are near the word Tornado Alley? Tornado Alley is a name of a place in America. Alley. What's alley? It's usually a center. Often in the city, you have big, tall buildings. Behind the buildings, there's a small, skinny, narrow road. A narrow road is also called an alley or alleyway. Okay. 다시 질문. No. Yeah, 질문. Where's the question? What's the question? What's the answer? Where is Tornado Alley? Why is it that number 2? Why is it better to chase storms with professionals? Number 3, what are 2 reasons why beginner storm chasers get injured? 2 reasons. 2 causes why beginner storm chasers get injured. Where is it in the question? Where in the reading? Where is it? 대답 어디서? Why might it be impossible to see a tornado with perfect storms? Perfect Storms is the name of this vacation company business. Okay. Why might it be impossible to see a tornado? Next question. When does 언제? When does Perfect Storms go on tours? Where's the word tours? 다음에 질문. What is something Perfect Storms can't do? Where is the word can't? What is something Perfect Storms can't do? And last question. How many tornadoes are you guaranteed to see? Nepke, tornado. Nepke, bio. I don't, whatever. Okay, Tame, can you find the answers in here? Where is tornado alley? Why professionals? 2 reasons people get hurt. Can you find it? The Tashi. The words in the question. Look for the words in the questions in the reading. Okay? Makes it easier. Because where the words are in the questions in the reading, well, you're going to find the answer near. Tame. Okay, there's the answers. Okay, Tornado Alley. Where is it? The area between Appalachian Mountains and Rocky Mountains in the USA. Why is it better to chase storms with professionals? Where's the word professional? Where is the word professional? Yeah, Kaunde. That's why it makes sense to go with the professionals. Okay. Well, it's not exactly the same sentence, but storm chasing can be extremely dangerous. Okay, seriously hurt. Beginner storm chasers don't take precautions. They don't know enough. Lots of reasons, really. Why might it be impossible to see a tornado? Well, however, it's impossible to guarantee a tornado because weather conditions will change. Okay. When does Perfect Storms go on tours? When? 언제 가요? Spring and summer. We plan our tours in the spring and summer during tornado season. Okay. What is something perfect storms can't? Where is the word can't in the reading? There's the answer. We're very good, but we can't predict the weather. That's kind of stupid saying that in trying to go for storm chasers. You have to be able to predict. You have to be able to predict the weather to find the tornadoes, the storms. But here it says can't predict. Blah blah blah. Majimak, how many tornadoes are you guaranteed to see? Guaranteed. Where's the word guarantee? Well, there you go. Tame. Is this subject? There's the answers. No, it's not subject. Tame. Next one. Okay, Tashi. What are extreme natural events? Can you name 8? Yeah, right here. Oh, well, actually, maybe 9. No, not really 9 because tornadoes, hurricanes and typhoon is the same thing. Hurricane is in North America. Typhoon is Asia. Okay. I want to see that snowstorm, man. Tornado. What's a tornado? Look at the photo. Earthquake. What's an earthquake? Earth shake. Earth shake. Earthquake. Okay. Any question? Quake shake. Okay. Volcano. What's a volcano? What is a flood? Flood. Lots of water. Tsunami. Yangoro. Tsunami is a Japanese word. Okay. Tsunami is originally a Japanese word. It's transliterated right into English. Tsunami comes directly from Japanese language. It's just written, it's pronounced in English. It's a big wave coming onto land. Hurricane, typhoon, okay, you know, typhoon. Avalanche. Avalanche! Get out! Avalanche. It's, yes, there is an earth avalanche, but that's usually called like a mudslide or earth move or I don't know, land slide. But avalanche is generally only snow. falling down from the side of a mountain. Of course, it's only winter time. Of course, avalanche. Avalanche. Okay, avalanche. You look up avalanche. Sometimes they show landslides. It's not the same thing though. There's usually blah blah blah. Majimak. Sandstorm. What is a sandstorm? The wind bringing dirt, sand, dust. Okay, you might see dust storm also. Well, it's more common sandstorm. It's one word. Okay. Okay. 질문이세요? 다음에 마지막. Okay. 숙제. 숙제. Okay. This is the last slide for this one. Okay. Perfect storm. Blah blah blah. Read this email. It's a short email. Okay. A student friend needs your help. Answer the questions. Send an email with your answers. Okay. The student friend emails and asks you, help! 도와주세요! Help! I need to finish a school project about extreme natural events. The 친구, 학생 친구, they're doing 학교 숙제. Okay, I need to finish a school homework. Project, homework, same meaning here. Okay. About extreme natural events. What's extreme natural events? This is extreme natural events. Remember all of these. Okay. 다음에 help! I need to finish a school project about extreme natural events. I need some answers and some answers and some examples from real people living in different countries. Okay. Blah blah blah. Okay. 숙제 추석부 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me 5 answers. Number one, what extreme natural events? 다시, tornado, earthquake, flood, avalanche, sandstorms. What extreme natural events do you have in your islands or country? Okay, this 학생 친구, he doesn't know what country. Do you live on an island? I don't know. Indonesia, many island countries. Okay. What extreme natural events do you have in your island or in your country? Number 2, what bad weather events do you have in your islands or in your country? Okay. Number 3, what volcanoes do you have in or near your islands, country? 다시, Philippines, the Philippine Islands. It's a country. In the Philippines, are there volcanoes? What's a volcano? Top right. It's the volcano. Okay. What volcanoes do you have in or near your island, countries? Philippine Islands, yes, they have volcanoes. Pinatubo? Whatever. Number 4, are the volcanoes in your islands, in your country, active or dormant? Active. What does active mean? Action. Active. Okay, so what does dormant mean? Dorm. You sleep in the dorm. 기숙사, 약자, dorm, dormitory, dormitory. Well, here, dormant, sleep. Oh. Number 4, 다시. Are the volcanoes in your islands, in your country, active or sleeping? Same meaning. 5. When? 언제? When was the last eruption? When was the last eruption from any volcanoes in your island or in your country? Okay. Hakseng Chingu, send your answers and email to trapperjohn, blah, 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 neighbor.com. Thanks! I'll see you next time. I don't know when next time is, but okay. Jim Munisayo? No? Okay. Bye!